Hello everybody. Today we can see about Erba Excel system pack. Here we can see the top view, Erba Mannheim brand name, Excel system pack. Now this is a front view of this product, Erba Mannheim Excel system pack. On this angle, we can see the code number of this product. The code number of this product is 121505. Here we can see CRP, C-Reactive Protein. This kit contains reagent 1 and reagent 2. Reagent 1 CRP reagent 2 into 22 ml and reagent 2 CRP reagent 2 into 6.7 ml. Then CRP calibrator 77.5 milligram per liter is equal to 1 into 1 ml. You can see a lot number, then manufacturing date and expiry date. This is a C certificate IVD product. Inside this kit, one instruction manual contains. We can maintain this temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. You can see clearly. This is the details present in this side. On the other side, this side we can see the manufacturing details of this product, a Germany product. This is the overall representation view of this product. Thank you.